Hi friends, this is a great story called Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Mama Bear, Papa Bear, Baby Bear, and who's this? Goldilocks. And you can write your name here because the story is by you, because you're going to color the pictures in here and you can read the story anytime you want. So let's start with Goldilocks. She said, this is too hot. Have you ever had anything that was too hot? This is too cold. This is just right. Do you think she ate it all up? She did. And she went to the chairs. This is too hard. This is too soft. This is just right. What did she do? She broke it. Oh no, and it's Baby Bears. Then she went to the beds. This is too high. This is too low. This is just right. And she went to sleep. And there she is in the bed. Papa Bear came home and said, somebody has been in my porridge. Mama Bear said, somebody has been in my porridge. Porridge is like an oatmeal. Baby Bear said, somebody has been in my porridge and eaten it all up. And then they went to the chairs and said, somebody has been sitting in my chair. And Mama said, somebody has been sitting in my chair. And what do you think Baby Bear said? Somebody has been sitting in my chair and broke it. How do you think Baby Bear feels? And they went to their bedroom and look what it said. Somebody has been lying in my bed. Mama said, somebody has been lying in my bed. What do you think's in Baby Bear, or who's in Baby Bear's bed? Somebody has been lying in my bed and she's still there. Oh my goodness. Get out of here, roared Papa Bear. Goldilocks ran off. And then at the end, it says a couple questions. Whose house did Goldilocks go into? Was it the bears, the pigs, or Humpty Dumpty? What do you think? Circle the answer. What did Goldilocks do first? Did you sit in the chair, eat the porridge, or go in the bed? Whose chair did Goldilocks break? Papa's, Mama's, or Baby's? Was it safe for Goldilocks to enter the bear's house? Yes or no? I would say no, not a good idea to go to somebody's house when you're alone. Then there's this page here where you can make your scene. So here's the house, and there's Goldilocks, Mama Bear, Papa Bear, Baby Bear, a sunshine, and a broken chair. And you can just retell the story anytime you want here. Have fun with both these books. Bye, friends.